In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a chart in your Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Here in my example data right here, I've already opened the Sheets app on my iPhone and here it is. And what I want to do would be to add a chart based on this data. So the first thing that I'm going to do would be to select my data like so. There you have it. So to select your data, just tap on that first cell, then drag it to the right and downwards. There you have it. So once you've selected the data, the next step would be to go to the insert tool here at the top, this plus sign right here. If you tap on it, there it is. And on the third row, we have our chart. If we tap on it, there we have it. So here is our chart editor. Before we can insert our chart, we can customize it into whichever type of chart we want. Change where the legend would be, put in some titles, and a color for your chart. So for this one, I have my column chart. If you want to change that, just tap on it and then select the type of chart that you want to use for your data. So I'm sticking with the column chart. I'm going back. Now for the legend, right now it's at the right, but I don't really need one, so I'm just going to select none here near the bottom. There you have it. Going back again, we have our titles. So as you see in my chart right now, I've already renamed this to quantity sold versus fruits, and we have that for our chart title. There you have it. For our horizontal axis title, we have the fruits. So that's right there at the bottom. And for the left vertical axis, that's going to be my quantity sold. So that's how you can rename your titles, either for your vertical axis or your horizontal axis, and your chart title going back. And the last part would be for the color of your chart. So right here for the columns, we have the blue color. And if we want to change that, we have here again our color palette where you can choose whichever color you want for your chart. I'm going to go for this red one right here, which is a light one. And again, this is totally up to you. And there you have it. So if there are other changes that you want to do, here are the 4 things that you can change on the app. And it depends whether you're using it on an Android phone and on an iPhone. So once you're done editing your chart, just tap on done at the top right corner. And there you have it. It's been inserted onto your spreadsheet. Now we can just tap on it and drag it, reposition it to where we want it to be, and we can also resize it. There you have it. So that's how quick and easy it is to insert a chart on your spreadsheet using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.